Students, already you have received the measurement question answer, but now we will see them. This in measurement in first midterm. What is measurement? In the last live class we will discuss what is measurement. So physics is the study of nature, natural phenomena. Physics is considered as the base of all science subject. So this is a physics experiment observation only. So in scientific theories are valid only if they are confirmed through the various experiments. So we can do the various experiments, we can confirm that what is the nature of phenomena of physics. Okay, that is the physics use many physical quantities to have to be measured. So measurement is the base of all scientific study of experiment, plays a vital role in our daily life. Measurement is the process of finding unknown physical quantity by using the standard quantity. We need three things for a perfect measurement. They are one is the instrument, another one is standard quantity, and accepted unit. Underline these three words is very very important. An instrument, a standard quantity, and a acceptable unit. This three is very very important for the perfect measurement. Okay. So in that perfect moment, normally you in your home you have to see the normal. In school also you have to use the 15 centimeter length of the scale, normal length of the scale. So you have to use the and take a science book, and you have to take a scale, and you have to do the compare the measurement with those your friend's book and your book. Otherwise you can take a science book and you have to measure it, and another one Tamil book you can take it and the measure. So if you know the difference between the science book and the Tamil book, so in this activity let the length of the book be 15 centimeter, the physical quantity. So ruler is the instrument, is the magnitude is centimeter in the unit. So in this process only called the measurement. Now you clearly understood what is measurement. Okay, so the length of the book is 15 centimeter is that means the physical quantity ruler means scale. Okay, the scale of the instrument 15 centimeter is magnitude and centimeter in the unit. This process is called the measurement. Okay, here all of the student will not get the same value, because it is maybe different. Thus one can infer that there may be an error while taking a measurement. So maybe take a measurement. So this is understanding of the you get the better understanding of the measurement. Okay, then everyone this is first your physical practical. So everyone take a book and you have to measure it and draw a book and scale. So this is activity 1. So students want to do this, and you can calculate the breadth and breadth of the science book, and then using the ruler and compare that how much it will get, then you can write in the practical note. Okay, this is the first practical for you. Next is system of units. The people in various part of the world are using different system of unit. The measurement, some common system of unit. So FUS system and CGS system, MKS system. So a lot of system is there. So this is the meter in length means that is MKS. CGS means centimeter of length. FBS means foot for length. Okay, in other days scientists perform their experimental and record their result in their own system. Due to the lack of the communication, they could organize other experimental result. So in that, based on the only the measurement is there. In 1960s 11th General Conference of the weighted measures and the purse in the France, the scientists recognized the need of the using standard units for the physical unit. That was called as the international system of units, and the popularly known as SI units. Okay, so popular units, SI units. The first we can read the there are some basic fundamental units. The template column they give. So we read that length means meter, how the simple is m, mass is kilogram, kg, time second, s, temperature Kelvin, k, electric current ampere, a, amount of substance mole, and the luminous intensity candela CD. These are the important SI units. Next we go for the temperature. So which object is the hot and cold? See this is the various hot and cold objects. That are the iron box, ice cream, fire, and ice cubes. So you can see that some objects are cold and some of them objects are hot. Why? Because the hotter than the other, while some of them are colder than others. How do you decide which hotter, which is cooler, and how do you decide? So yeah, you know that you can touch it. It is cool means you can say that it is a cool. And if you untouch it, it is a hot means you can say that hot. But the temperature is there. Some other temperature over hot, overheat, over cool is there. No, so light heat, light cool is there. So that is depending upon the temperature. So next answer is temperature. Temperature is a physical quantity that expresses the degree of hotness and coolness of the substance. Heat gives a substance will increase the temperature. Heat removed from the substance will the lower temperature. So I already told this last live class for definition. Again, you can see the temperature is the measure and the average kinetic energy of the particles in your system. The SI unit of the temperature is Kelvin. Thermometer are used to measure the temperature directly. Usually thermometers are calibrated at some standard scales only. Okay, wow. What are the scales? Celsius and Fahrenheit and Kelvin. 3 is the important for the temperature. What is that? Again, Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. Okay, 7th standard itself you have studied. In this thermometer, melting point how much? So last year we draw and that no 0 degrees Celsius. Yeah, very good. And the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Very good. Thermometer, you know that. So this is the upper fixed, lower fixed we can write no. Okay. Types of scale. There are, I told that no temperature we can use for the 3 types of scale. What are the? One is Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. Okay. Lower is 0 degrees Celsius. Upper is 100 degrees for Celsius. Okay. Number of how many divisions there? 100 division. Fahrenheit 32 Fahrenheit and 212, that is 212 degree Fahrenheit only upper fixed. So what is the division thermometer? 180. The Celsius and Kelvin 100 only, except Fahrenheit is a 180. Kelvin is 273 Kelvin 370. 100 difference is there. 0 100. So except differently you want to know that in 80 means Fahrenheit alone only. Okay, wow. So this is the if you are having in your home you have a temperature having means then you can do the experiment. Next, conversion of the scales of the temperature. So how the temperature scale is that? Here 3 Kelvin scale, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale they are giving. This is the conversion of the scales. Where and all we can use the various thermometer scale. So physical, clinical thermometer, you know that Fahrenheit. Scientists are using thermometers. That is a Kelvin scale. And physician means doctor. Okay. So that is a clinical thermometer. Common temperature measurement made in Celsius scale only. So weather report they will give. Now we see in the TV, that is will give for the common temperature measure. That is how they are in Celsius scale only. So for us we having that is a Fahrenheit scale, and doctors and having that is a Fahrenheit scale, and a Kelvin, scientists are using the Kelvin scale. Common temperature